Most humans don't care about nature. On the other hand, a furry animal, a clever social primate, a majestic predator, an intelligent marine mammal, an epic voyager, can spark a strong emotional connection. They inspire our attention, action, and commitment. Our drive to protect nature comes from our humanness. We recognize beauty, intelligence, and emotion in others because we hold those same qualities within ourselves. That drive might not be entirely rational, but when channeled through conservation, it becomes a powerful force for change. The species we love can't survive without their habitats. And when conservation is done right, these species act as umbrellas, protecting entire ecosystems. Follow your passion. Trust your instinct. Let's preserve the planet together.